Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. So without chit-chatting too much, we are straight away going to start our video. It is a daytime glam that you can do anytime, any day. Since my skin feels too dry, I am going to moisturize my skin with Elizabeth Arden 8 Hour Cream. This is so moisturizing, I can't tell you. I love this cream especially when my skin feels too dry. And for my lips, I'm using the Dior. And now I'm going to set everything with the Becca Hydra Mist Powder. I love this powder, especially for dry skin. This powder is amazeballs. For my eyeliner today, I'm using the Makeup Forever Aqua Liner in 14. I don't find the liner too intense, but then